Hello and welcome back to the channel. We have the Team Associate MT8 back out. We've made some changes. I've changed the center diff fluid. We've tuned the shocks. Time to see how well this RC performs with the tune-up. And we're out here today at the old jump spot. See how good we can send this thing and see if, not going to intentionally try to break anything, but we'll just see. I don't have the upgraded parts on here, but we're going to see if anything does actually break. And if this is as fragile as people made it out to be. Alright, so I've actually even updated too, I forgot to mention in the intro, I've put a Dumbo receiver in here. Remember before I was talking about how laggy the throttle felt? And I was talking with our friend Chris with the C, who used to have one of these, and he mentioned that there's a lot of talk about how horrible the radio system is on this. Now see, there still is some cogging. A little bit, but throttle response so far definitely seems to be a bit better. So does the diff. Oh yeah, so I put 500K in the center diff. I based that on, you know, that works pretty good for with the damn it. Whoa. The damn, I can't think of the name of it. The 4S Creighton, yeah, that's it. The 4S Creighton does pretty good with 500K, and I figured this is about the same size and weight. Oh, see, the factory diff is so thin, it just balloons the piss out of the tires, and it was still doing wheelies. Maybe I should have went with, Chris was recommending I went with like the 300, and I was thinking, oh! I was thinking, oh, maybe that's too much, too thin. I think what I need to do is lower this dang wheelie bar down. Or not driving in the street. So yeah, and for the shocks, I put 35 weight. I feel like now, see how it's a nice, it pushes down nice. Yeah, I feel like 35 weight's pretty good right there. Ooh, forgot this thing's got a gyro now. Not saying that it needed it, but that's just the Dumbo receivers I buy have gyros, so why not? I really don't think there's any or really much of a price difference to the ones that don't have a gyro, so I just buy them because I never know if I'm going to need the gyro or not. So I usually buy them about 4 at a time. I got so many cars running on these radios. The Traxxas I'll keep on my Traxxas transmitter. The Horizon stuff I'll keep on my IXSR. Oh, look at that. How far can I think I just set a wheelie record for any of my cars. I thought the ADAS Outcast had it, but I also did turn the punch up. I went from 5 to 7. So, God, man, I'll tell you, so far, I'm really, I mean, like I said, this is only the second time I've had it out, but yeah, so far I've been pretty impressed with this. Whoa, brakes are still a bit touchy. They have not cut the grass here, and it's making it very hard. The center disc making it hard now. We'll just have to go Oh, that landed so nice. Brakes are, oh damn, a bit strong. All right, let's see. Ow. Yeah, you know, I still had people talk about on the last video, do this, that, and the next thing to make it, and I'm like, it must not have watched the whole beginning of the video that it came with the upgraded control arms. I think people just, oh man, see, that's what I'm afraid of with this spot here, especially the thing turtles in the damn road like that. Oh man, yeah, maybe I need to turn the punch back down, or maybe I need to just go 300 on that center. See, it's still ballooning those front tires, so I don't want to go thinner. Man, check it out in Florida. You can see where it's raining. You can see like all that rain. It's right there. See, like it's clear and sunny there. Stormy there. Kind of clear this way, a little stormy that way. The wind's kind of pushing. I feel the temperature dropping, so hopefully that stuff's not going to come my way. Oh boy. I think that's something too that I need to work on. Part of my jumping skills is wait till it's closer to the ground to respond. I kind of do it really early and don't give the car itself a chance to kind of see where it's gonna land. But yeah. Oh man, now it just does not want to keep the front end down. So I might be pulling the center diff back out and go with 300. Because I like doing wheelies. I need the car to be drivable. Funny, I had people tell me, put 1 million, thank me. You know, I mean, a lot of that stuff's just all your preference and how you like driving. I'm sure like you enjoy driving it with that thick of a fluid, but I'm not going to. I'm more of a ground pounder. Like I said, I like coming here and hitting some jumps, but it's not like a priority for me. I like coming out and driving the RCs. Oh yeah. See, it's got a little hop on the landing. Did you see that lightning? Oh man. What in the world? See that damn body. I'm gonna have to shoe goo, and I meant to do that. I just kind of, it's been raining so much, and I really hate doing this inside of my shop because man, it'll stink for days. Actually, I just recently did the MJX rally car. I did just a little strip on the front, right? And I forgot. I left it in my car overnight. Oh, the smell of that stuff for like, it lingered for days. Oh, luckily I got a garage. I keep my car in. I left the windows down. Yeah, man, I think this really is, it's a good RC. I wish the wheelbase was maybe a little longer. I think that would really, really help with the handling and stuff on it. I would love to put a 6S in here, man. I really feel like a little bit more power, but good God. I think what I might do though is just seeing how we are only on 4S, and this thing can take 6, I'm probably gonna up that pinion. Maybe that'll give it that little bit more of a snap that I'm looking for. Or maybe not. Nah, I feel like I want just a little bit more speed out of it. So I think I might go ahead and up the pinion on it. I think it should be safe. Seeing how we don't, we're only on 4S. That is kind of the one thing I would say is disappointing on this, that it's sold as a 6S car, but it's really hard, if not impossible, to drive it on 6S. Well, everyone, I think I need to go ahead and pack it up. That Lightning's for real. And it's getting bigger. I think it might be heading this way. So, man, I do like this RC. I think we've taken enough tumbles out here. Everybody said that these control arms would shatter, everything would break, and all this stuff. And see for yourselves. Everything's intact, except for this body right here. I do need to reinforce that. It seems like once you crease it, makes it bad. I do have a nice fan on the motor. Now it is still a bit hot. But it is like 95 degrees outside. You guys wouldn't believe how freaking disgustingly hot everything is. But look, I mean, we've taken some pretty good tumbles out here, and I mean, I'm just being honest. If this thing broke, it broke. I tell you, like, yeah, everybody's right. This thing is absolute garbage. It doesn't perform. It's fragile. I think people going to skate parks and just abusing stuff. I mean, although to be fair, one person did say that the marketing for this thing when it came out showed it skate park bashing. Just something stupid like Traxxas did with the Max Slash. They showed it at a skate park doing all that. And I mean, that RC literally got like an inch of suspension travel. I mean, that was... I think we're in thermal. Whew. I think we are in thermal. Yeah, it ain't doing nothing. Ooh, it's hot out here, guys. Alright, everyone. Let me know what you think of the MT8, man. Do you think it deserved its bad rap, or do you like what you see? Maybe you'll think of getting one. There'll be a link down below if you are. I honestly, I think it's a great RC. I don't know why. There must have been a channel out there that did something and it shattered, because from my experience, I've gone back and forth with people and they finally go, well, this channel did it, this channel. And I'm like, but do you have the RC? No, they don't. They go based on one channel. So one person can go out there. Like maybe I say, this is the worst piece of crap, and I got 50 to 100 people agree with me, and they'll be dead set. And that's why I think you need to make the opinion for yourself. It's good. You know, don't just watch mine. Like Jason Perrin's got one now, and he's doing some videos on it. And I think me and him kind of like in the same boat, that this really is a good RC. It's weird, the MT10 that got all this rant and rave about it being such a great basher, that one's kind of weak and has a ton of issues. This one, I don't know how they got flip-flopped. I mean, if given a choice between the two, I would pick the MT8 all day. Well, everyone, before I get rained on and struck by lightning, let me go ahead and pack up, get out of here. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Hope watch it run. I'll do some more tuning on here, but man, for me, the way I like driving, 35 weight in the shocks, I might detune that center diff. I might actually totally clean out and just put 300 in there and see how it does with the 300. Maybe calm that down somewhat, and then maybe up that pinion gear so we get a little bit more speed out of it. But yeah, there'll be more to come with the MT8. I don't, get this to review for free and you see it once and that's it. It's done, man. I'll do a 1-year review after a year, and we'll have more with it. So, everyone, thank you so much for subscribing, the likes, shares, comments. Those of you that use the affiliate links help me buy these, even through my Amazon store. And also check out the video description. I have discount codes for several companies as well. So if you're buying lipstick for your wife or whatever on Amazon, start at my store, the L2W store. Buy your lipstick, dog food. If you're interested in like a Dumbo radio, go to my RC section, and everything I use, or most of the stuff I use, will be in that section. So I get asked a lot of time, where do you get that fan? It's in the RC section, and that stuff helps me keep the channel going, guys, because I put more money into this channel than I ever make on YouTube, and it's greatly appreciated. So like, shares, comments, greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching. See you next one.